Hey YouTubers, this is Old John. Going to make a video here on how to make a cheap outlet cover that'll help rainproof an outdoor outlet. I have a little fountain here that has a little pump, simple pump in it, and the previous owner was kind enough to put an outlet in to service this, but the outlet cover, and I'm using it right now to cover up this hole in a little well that he had here for a different fountain. This fountain I'm using doesn't require a well, it's built into it. Anyway, this has a standard electrical outlet cover that's hinged on one side, goes on here and then closes. Well, as you can see, while you have this plugged in, that does you no good. So we need something to cover this to keep it protected from the elements, because it's sitting out in my front yard. And has no rain protection. So gonna go back to Aldi's sponsor plug. This is what my wife gets her little cherry tomatoes, grape tomatoes are actually called, from Aldi's. Nice little plastic container, and it's empty now, obviously been cleaned out, and I'm going to try to use this to cover this outlet. So unplug the cord right now, and then this will simply slide over it, and I will cut a hole in here for the plug to go in. And then that will provide, of course, the plug I'll try to put in the bottom here as much, and I'll put tape over these ventilation slots, and I plan on just using black electrician's tape. There may be another alternative that's better, more waterproof. I'll let you think about that, and if you want, leave me comments. So I'm going to cut the holes now. Okay, there's the finished product. Looks a little gaudy, but I use black, which obviously matches the cord, and then I put some duct tape on it, which blends in pretty well with the gray outlet. So here's the duct tape I used, and black electrician's tape. I just use a blade like this to make my cuts with. I cut off the top. I don't think you need that, but that's something you could experiment with. So I cut a hole near the bottom. I left this flap on to kind of act as further rain protection. Put black tape over these ventilation slots. Didn't put any on the bottom since that's not exposed to the rain. And then, like I say, duct taped the top part. Duct tape's a little more weatherproof maybe. So anyway, there may be better ways to do this, so I'm just brainstorming. So leave any comments if you have some better ideas. But that's basically the project. So come back to my YouTube channel if you're interested in more do-it-yourself projects, or a little bit on programming, engineering, spirituality, earthquake information, earth science. So that's all for now. YouTubers, Old John signing off.